Miss Claire, and welcome again in our Math 4 class. Let's continue chapter 13, and in this video you will learn lesson 2 about grids, direction, and position. The learning objectives for this lesson are to identify positions on grids of squares and to give directions to follow a given path. Okay, P4, are you ready? Come on, let's get started. Okay, P4, let's start with lesson 2, grids, direction, and position. I have here a square grid. It consists of small squares. In this part, we have the letters. The letters will help us to locate of the object on what column they are located. This part here on the other side are the numbers. The numbers will help us to locate the rows. These are the rows here. And this one are what we call the column. Now, as you observe or you can see, I have here some colored shapes on our grid. Let's try to locate their position on the grid. When we locate the position, we will start with the column here. So we will start with the letters and followed by the rows. Let's start with the green circle. The green circle is located on what column? Yes, it's B here. B8. So that is the position of the green circle. It's on B8. How about the blue square? What is the position? Yes, it's B3. How about the red? The red is on D5. So D5. That is the position of our star, the red star. How about the yellow triangle? What is the position? Yes, it's in G6. So that is the position of the yellow triangle. So children, that's how to find the position of objects on the grid by using the column first. Yes, column, then followed by the rows. I have here a square grid map. In here, we will use numbers for the column and for the rows. So always remember, children, we will read first column, then followed by rows. Then, as you remember in our lesson 1, we have the different directions. So that is north, south, then east, and west. I have here a picture of a car and the mall. Let's try to find the position of the car. The car is located on 6-6. How about the mall? 2-1. See, the column is 2 and the row is 1. Now, let's find or describe the route of the car as it goes to the mall. Let's describe. Take a look first. A. The car moves 2 squares south to 6-4. Where is 6-4? 6-4 here. So the car will move here. So going to the south. Okay. Next. Then it turns 90 degrees clockwise. Where is 90 degrees clockwise? Here, right? So it will go here clockwise and moves 4 squares to the west. So the car is already here in this position. It will move 4 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the next. So 4 squares to the west. Next direction is finally it turns 90 degrees. So if it's already here, it's already on the west, right? It will turn 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is going here. So that is going here and moves 3 squares to the south. So from 1 to 3. Yeah, so this is the position of the mall. So this is how the car moves from 6 to 1. Okay, children? Another example here. Now let's describe the route of Ben as he went to the park. Here, this is the position of Ben. Take a look. Ben is in 2-1 here. This is 2-1 and the park is 1-7. So let's describe his way, his route. Okay, so Ben from 2-1, take a look. He moves 5 squares to the east and that is 7-1. So Ben moves 5 squares to the east. Then he turns 90 degrees. Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Yes, that is anti-clockwise. So he turns 90 degrees anti-clockwise and moves how many squares? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 squares to the north. And his new position is in 7-4. This is 7-4 here. Next, he turns again 90 degrees here. That is still anti-clockwise. And he moves how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares to the west. Okay. So he turns 90 degrees anti-clockwise and moves 6 squares to the west, and that is 1-4. So this is 1-4. Okay. Finally, what is the last? He turns again 90 degrees and that is clockwise because going to the right, that is clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise and moves 3 squares to the north and that is 1-7. So this is the route of Ben as he rides his bike going to the park. Okay, children? I have here another one. Can you tell me the position of the boy walking? Okay, this boy wants to go to the park also. This is Justin. So Justin wants to go to the park. What is the position of Justin at first? So Justin, his location is in, yes, 9, 6. So this is the position of Justin. And how about the park or the playground? Yes, 3, 2. Now, during our Zoom meeting, let's find the way or route of Justin as he will walk going to the park. Okay, so that we will discuss this during our Zoom meeting. Okay, that's all about grids, directions, and positions. I will discuss more about this lesson during our Zoom meeting. So thank you for watching P4 and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everybody and have a great day.